Hello everyone, Benedette here, Simply Art, Cape Town. Thank you for being here with me again. Today I'm going to do a split color Dutch ball on a huge, this is a 30 centimeter hexagon canvas. I'm going to split the colors with a bronze at the top or this side of the canvas, and I'm going to use a black on the bottom half of the canvas. My paints are all mixed up. Nice and thin consistency for a Dutch ball, that's the bronze. And I'm going to also be using the black. I've got quite a bit of black. Always keep quite a bit of black mixed up because I use this color so often. But you can see the consistency is nice and fluid. My ratios, I'm going to link the video up on the top for you so you can go and have a look. But I use 40 grams of paint, 80 grams of pouring medium, and 30 grams of water. And it depends on the paint that I'm using. If I use a heavier body paint, then I would add extra water, but I'd definitely make sure that all my colors are brought to the same consistency. So I'm also going to be adding to my line of color. I've got Dala's Pale Gold that I've mixed up for this pour. I'm going to be using the bright silver or light silver. I've got the regular metallic gold. I'm going to be adding an ivory as well as some titanium white. So I don't add any extra black because I will be pushing some of the black and the bronze into the line of color and then blowing it and fanning it out nicely. So let me get the base coats laid down and then we'll layer the colors. I'll torch that and then I'll blow it out with the dryer. So please enjoy the process with me. I'm going to start with the bronze. Let's start with the bronze. So I will always keep some extra paint in the cup for touch-ups. I never pour all my paint out on the canvas, although I always leave a nice layer of color, just enough to coat the canvas. So it's not a thick layer, it's just enough to cover the canvas. If I were to move my palette knife, you'll be able to see the canvas immediately. So it's not a thick layer at all. Oh, this metallic looks gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. I love working with metallics. Lovely. So rich. Beautiful. All right. That's done. I'm going to clean off my palette knife. I use a baby wipe or an art wipe, as I like to call it. These are my art wipes, but they're just wet wipes, regular wet wipes. All right. Keep things nice and clean. Okay, let's do the black. Also nice thin runny consistency, but still, if I stir it in my jug, I still feel some resistance to the paint. So it's not thin like water. It's like drinking yogurt almost. That's the consistency I will, if I were to describe it, or dessert cream, that's how it feels. All right, let's cover the bottom half with the black. Okay, that's done. I'm going to pop the air bubbles. Alright, that's done. So let's layer the colors. I'm going to start with the ivory first. Then I'm going with the gold. I'm going to do the silver next. Then the pale gold. Then I'm going to do the white. Let's start this side with the white. There we go. Torch that again. I've been shaking those bottles, so there's quite a bit of bubbles in the paint. Just getting those bubbles. Loving that. Just loving that. I've got my blow dryer. Let's blow this one out. Love it. That was so quick. Oh dear, that was so quick and I love it. Just getting a blob of paint out there. One more torch. Gorgeous. Just another blob here. Picking that up. Beautiful, beautiful design. Let me bring it down for your close-up.